And then I'm going to stop him again.
And where are you going to put him?
I'm stopping now.
No, because he might break if you keep starting and stopping him.
But he needs to
Tell
go
him
to
to
jail.
go. He needs to go to the kitchen.
Take him back to jail.
Gently, very gently. Okay, Mr. Plod, you'd better sit next to him so he doesn't run away.
I'm just going to get my wallet.
Okay, Zaid, what time is it?
Huh?
What time is it?
1 o'clock.
Oh.
So we can't get out.
Mm-hmm.
Mama? I'm going to sit right here.
Okay. Be careful, Zaid. You don't want to break Roomba. Okay, perfect. Leave him, please. Okay. Is he in jail now?
Huh? Oh. This is my home. See, look. I have my Spider-Man picture. Do you take my Spider-Man picture?
I did, yeah.
Where are they?
Huh?
Where are they?
What do you mean, did I take them?
The Spider-Man picture.
I don't know.
My Spider-Man picture.
I don't know.
Where do you take them?
Well, I didn't take them anywhere.
Are they down here in the bed?
I don't think so. Maybe they're in the magic car. Or in your wallet.
Did that? Okay, Mama, Mr. Plod.
Mm-hmm.
You're Mama, Mr. Plod.
No!
Yeah!
I thought I was Dynadol.
No, you are Mama, Mr. Plod. Here's the one.
Thank you.
Oh, where's my wallet?
Oh, I think it's right here.
Yes.
Bye.